I'm working on my design team project for Shabby Scraps, Zibbet shop. It's www.zibbet.com/Shabby Scraps. I'll put the link in the description box below. Okay, so anyways, a lot of people know that the owner of Shabby Scraps is Carissa, and anyways, Carissa sent me my design team package this month, and I did this wonderful, design team video for you guys to show you what she sent me and everything, and my memory card kept, every time I tried to, put it on my computer and edit the video and everything, it kept saying corrupt file, so I didn't get that video done, and I unpackaged and unboxed all the goodies she sent me. So anyways, I'll just show you what I'm going to be working with and what I'm going to be doing. I have this spaghetti sauce jar here, and anybody who's a messy desk knows that there's the awesome jar claws or whatever, and I've been wanting to do mine forever, and I still have yet to do it. So this is what my design team project is going to be, is my awesome jar. And so anyways, I'm going to do my jar, and I went out and I bought these ones, the mason jars or whatever, and I thought this one would be super cute, but the die cut is just a little too large for this, and it don't look right. So I'm going to use this die cut here that Carissa sent me. It's one of her mini album dies, and she also sends you the little white die cut of it also, and then the solid pieces. So I'm going to use this in my project. I'm going to grab my design team box over here. And then I'm also going to use, I'm thinking one of her shabby roses. Oh my gosh, a fly just flew in my window. Okay, and then I have these gorgeous flower centers, and I know I want to use some of this because I'm going to sew Shabby this up. And she sent me some of her gorgeous trim, and I know I want to use this, or maybe, I don't know, I might hand dye this to a different color, because I'm doing a lot of creams, and this is a white vintage braided trim, and it's so gorgeous. I want to use it though. Okay, and then they also get all these other pages to the mini album, and then this is the small one, and I thought, okay, well, the small one, I'm still stuck on this jar. I want to do it, but okay, anyways, yeah, so I thought, so maybe I'll do a little mini wallet mini for my wallet or something out of that. I don't know yet. So anyways, you get all these dies, and then you even get the birdcage stand with them. It's a really cute mini. And then I have a bunch of her shabby chic flowers, and I know I want to use a couple of these shabby chic colors, and she carries them in a variety of colors, and they're just OMG gorgeous. And if you don't have any, you gotta at least try one package, and you'll fall in love like I have. So anyways, there's that. And then I want to use this ribbon right here that she sent to me. I'm thinking I want to use this one. I might want to use, let me see, how much pink do I have? No, I want to use the pink one. Okay, sorry guys, I'm being indecisive. And then I have this cute little trinket box right here that is just filled with Shabby Scraps goodies. And I want to use a couple of the cream bow flat back pearls. And then she has these gorgeous, these are a new addition, these gorgeous little heart pearl, flat back pearls. But they're just little embellies, and I want to use some of those. And, let's see. What else is there? Oh my gosh, you guys, the canvas butterflies. I am so gonna miss these and gorge them up. So yeah, I want to use some of these gorgeous canvas butterflies from Shabby Scraps. This right here and my little pile right here is gonna be all Shabby Scraps stuff right there. And then I have one of my lacy butterflies that I molded, and I dunked in Mod Podge and a little bit of water and then dried it. I have one of those, and I don't know if I'm going to use it. Oh, I think that's a bee. Okay, I gotta go because my son's allergic to bees. I'll be right back. Sorry, you guys. Okay, sorry, you guys. I got the bee. Okay, let me make sure I got this in focus for you guys. Okay, sorry. It took me 15 seconds to get that in focus. Okay, so anyways, I pulled out some of my findings that I have here. And, I know I want to make like a little dangle charm for my mini, or not my mini, my bird cage thingy. And, I'm going to use like one of the pair clips to put it on there. And that's also in Shabby Scraps. And then I got some chain from my collection right here of findings and everything. But anyways, I've dug out this cute little bird cage charm that I'm going to add to my jar. And I know I have it over in here. I just got to dig it out. I got one of these like filigree plates that I purchased at a bead store. And then one of these gorgeous Shabby Scrap birds that I know I want to put on there. And for right now, I think that is where I'm gonna like start, and then you guys can go ahead and see my process and everything. And if you have any questions about a certain specific technique or something I use, go ahead and message this video. I'm glad to do tutorials for anybody, like slow it down, single paced type tutorials, you know, where you get basic instructions. Oh, also, Chris has sent me, she has new in the store. Let me see if I can find them in this box of goodies. Okay, where is it? I just had it. Sorry, I have a whole other bag of goodies. Chris has sent me, she has new in the store. And these are OMG fabulous, and I love them. And thanks for thinking of me when you sent these, Carissa. Because these are going to be a lifesaver with the small detail work. And they're just like small fine tip detail tweezers. And so I'm going to use those. And she also sent some other charms that I'm going to dig through as I go. So I'm going to stop this now and I'm going to put it in fast forward. And I will see you with the work in progress. Hey guys, it's Kimmy. Okay, so this is my finished jar. Let me see if I can get it to focus. There we go. So this is my finished I Am Awesome jar for the month of June's DT project. Things I used from Carissa's shop would include these gorgeous Shabby Chic pearl button flower centers. They're not buttons, they're like flat back pearls, but they're flower centers. The pearl bow here. This lace I used right here, it was in a rack from Carissa. The Shabby Chic rose trim that looks like this, I used right here. I kind of just bunched it up, as you can see in the video before this. I used some of her gorgeous canvas butterflies from her shop also. And then this Venice lace butterfly right here is from Carissa's shop. And the bird cage itself is a mini album from Carissa's shop, which is Shabby Scraps at Zibbet. And I'll leave the link in the description box, like I said earlier. The paper line that I decided to use was Prima's Fairy Bell collection. And I used this spray right here, which is also another Prima spray. And it's the Petite Fleur Vine and Chrysanthemums. But I thought it looked like cherry blossoms, which are like one of my favorite flowers, so I used that. And I also used this gorgeous trim, which I altered to give it more of a dusty rose, dirty Shabby Chic look. And that's from Carissa's shop also. It's a gorgeous braided trim. This chain here, I altered with some of Carissa's charms. And this gorgeous, let me see if I can get you a close-up of that bird. Look at how gorgeous, and it is a rather large charm. Let's see if it'll focus for me. I'm sorry about my fingers, they're like painted and glimmer mist and everything. And this is a gorgeous birdcage charm from Carissa's shop also. And this right here I used is one of the pear pins from Carissa's shop, and then I just pulled some gorgeous lampwork beads from my collection and added to it. And then at the bottom I used one of them gorgeous flowers as like a bead cap for like the bottom dangle, so it just sits there like so. And that is my month of June's. Oh, I forgot the ribbon too. This ribbon is a Shabby Chic pink ribbon that you can get from Carissa's shop. And that's what I used to tie around my jar. So, anyways, that is my DT project. I hope you guys like it, and I hope it inspired you in some way to get creative and use some of these gorgeous Shabby Scraps products. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Toodles.